Hello guys, here's a mini unboxing of my Chanel sneakers. This sneakers was actually purchased back in March prior to the whole COVID closure thing. But anyways, as I was walking past Chanel store, I saw this at the side of my eye and I'm like, ooh, what was that? So I walked back to look at it and I'm like, oh wow, it's a shoes. It's very unique compared to their past collections. This type of shoes actually caught my attention because it reminded me of it's giving that Avril Lavigne vibe. I don't know if you guys remember her, but yeah, it was like a punk rock type of shoes in a classy way, I guess. And also, that burnt book from Mean Girls? Yeah, I think that's how the word Chanel is written. But anyways, the shoes, actually, the smaller size, it has a different print than this size. I'm not sure what my size in European, but the size size 5, I think that the size 5 in US, the print is different than the size 5.5, or was it 6? Oh, but whatever. The smaller size has a different print compared to the biggest size, this one. I actually returned that because it was a bit too tight. At least this one, a size up, there's more room, and I use thick socks, so this feels more comfortable. Anyway, thank you for watching for my quick unboxing video of the shoes. Comment down below if you want to know my thoughts about the shoes after months that I used it. Well, actually, I haven't used it that much. I probably used it 5 times. Or yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.